Hello and welcome. In this series of videos, I'm going to go over invitational tests and district tests from the UIL competitions and calculator applications. This one is from 2022. This is invitational A, problems number 19 and 20. On number 19, we're asked to figure out the measurement of this angle. It's in radians, this angle here, which I'll label as theta in radians, given that we have the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. In order to solve this, first you need to know that the cosine of the adjacent over the hypotenuse, or the ratio of the adjacent and the hypotenuse, is equivalent to the cosine of our angle, again, that we're looking for. So this, again, is my unknown. So to figure this out, I'm simply going to use the inverse cosine, and I'm going to get that theta will equal to the inverse cosine of, again, these two of this ratio. So 62.3 over 63.2. Well, what is that going to equal to? So we're going to use I'm going to use the 84 here. And remember, for this competition, you're allowed to have two calculators. So I usually switch between this one here, and our Inspire, and we're going to end up with a total of 0.169. Remember, all our answers has to be to 3 significant digits, and I usually don't write write my answers in scientific notation. I just write, again, to 3 significant digits, of course, unless the number is way too small or too big. Let's see. Now let's look at the example number 22. On this example right here, we have, again, that we have an isosceles right triangle. So that means that these two sides are the same. And we want to figure out the hypotenuse given, again, the area. Well, first of all, the relationship between the sides, since these two sides are congruent, and the area, is that the value of x is equal to the square root of 2 times the area. And the relationship between, again, the two sides, these two sides here, and the hypotenuse is that the hypotenuse is equals the x, the length of the sides, times the square root of 2. So if I do the substitution and plug this in here, I'll get the square root of 2a, which is, again, 2 times the area, times the square root of 2, which simplifies to 2 times the square root of area. So here, I can figure out our hypotenuse by simply taking the square root of the area and multiplying it by 2. So let's do exactly that. So again, I usually, again, try to use shorter formulas and try to create a formula, again, from, again, other situations. And in this situation, because we have an isosceles triangle, but again, this only works for an isosceles right triangle, I can figure out the hypotenuse given the area by using this formula every single time. So 2 times the square root of our area of 54.3, that will approximate to 14.7. So there you have it. That's the hypotenuse for this right triangle given the area. Well, again, thank you for watching. I hope, again, this was very helpful. If you would like to see, again, other problems solved, please send me a message or add a comment. Again, I thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.